Pups ready for mighty action, Rider, sir.
Thanks for getting here so quickly, Pups. It looks like there's a new baddie in town. We don't know who it is, but we do know that he has superpowers.
Wow! Whoever it is, they're super fast.
And super strong.
That's why for this mission, I'll need Mighty Rubble. I need you to use your super strength to straighten those rails. And Mighty Rocky, I need you to use your energy tools to put those tracks back together. All right, Mighty Pups are on a roll.
What did that super baddie do to all those rails?
Nothing I can't undo.
Haley Daly on the scene and on your screen, reporting live from the Adventure Bay train tracks.
Uh-oh, that train is closer than we thought. Rocky, put those tracks together as fast as you can. Rubble, let's go and warn the train driver.
On it! Stop the train! The tracks are broken!
Oh no! I don't think I can stop in time!
I've got this!
The tracks are fixed.
Let it go, Rubble.
Thanks, Mighty Pups.
You saw it here first, viewers. The Mighty Pups have saved the train. Look! A monster!
What in the wild and wondrous world is that? It's not a species I've seen before. Time to dash, Daring Danny.
It's Daring Danny X. And seeing a real monster would be so extreme.
Extremely scary. Let's skedaddle. I wish this hoist would hurry.
I'll fix it.
Is everyone okay? What happened?
We were going too fast and then it broke.
At least up here we're miles from that mountain monster.
Mountain monster?
It was tall and green and it went into the woods.
I'll call the Paw Patrol.
Ladder! Hi, Alex. You first.
Brilliant!
Careful, Alex. Don't... We're fine. Thanks, Ryder. I hope you find the monster soon.
Everest, have you found anything in the woods?
Ryder, I found the monster. It's just Mayor Goodway covered in green mud, but she's on an out-of-control snowboard going backwards down the hill. Hang on, Mayor Goodway. I'll help you stop. Mayor Goodway, are you okay?
Oh, I am now. Thanks to you, Everest. Thank you, Paw Patrol.
You're welcome, Mayor Goodway.
Whenever you're feeling a little monstrous, just grrr. For help.
I'll finally have the powers I've always wanted. I'll be the superest Superman ever.
Humdinger Super! No! Kitties, come back!
Horatio, the train carrying the rare white tigers back to their jungle home shall pass by soon. Look, there they are!
Oh, kitties! Here, kitties! Yippee! Kitties! Me have friends for you! Oh, my kitty! My kitty! My kitty!
Mayor Humdinger, stop!
Oh!
Now to grab him with my net.
Vegan kitty! Vegan kitty!
happened? Oh, gorge! Oh, a tiger! Help!
Energy net! Mighty whirlwind power!
Me first! Me first! Oh! Phil! Oh, a flying tiger!
Whenever your cat's been kitty-napped, just meow for help.
Now stand back, kitties. It's time to test the auto trousers. Ah, they work! One fruit smoothie, please. No, it's my drink. Down, kitty! What's happening? Oh, no!
Huh? What's that racket in my corn?
Help! My trousers are out of control!
Mayor Humdinger? Trousers? Sounds like he's in some strange trouble. Better call the PAW Patrol.
My out-of-control trousers can't stop!
Sky, follow that mare!
I won't let him out of my sight! I can see his shiny metal trousers!
Metal? That gives me an idea. Rubble, I need you and your electromagnet to stop a runaway mare.
No problem!
Help me!
Ryder! Mayor Humdinger's heading straight for a cliff!
Help! I'm falling! Help!
Open your eyes, Mayor. I've got you.
Oh, get me out of these things!
Are you okay, Mayor Humdinger?
Yes. Thanks for saving me from those awful auto trousers.
Whenever your trousers are out of control, just yelp for help.
Ryder, I'm so glad you're here. We can't find our goats anywhere.
We'll find them and fix that broken gate too. Right, Rocky?
Right. Screwdriver! This pen is ready for the kids.
Great job, Rocky. Hi, Mayor Goodway. What's up?
Yumi's baby goats just chewed up my beach blankie.
We're on our way. Pups, the goats are on the beach. We've got to herd them together.
On it! Here, goaty! I've got them on a raft! Great! But who's got the raft? Huh? The tide came in and took it!
Just when we didn't want it to.
Mayor Goodway told me my goats were here. Where are they?
They sort of went sailing?
Zuma, we need a water rescue.
Let's dive in! Help is here, little goat friends! Oh no! Ryder, they chewed the raft apart and now they're floating all over! What should I do?
We've got to find a way to get those logs back together.
Running goat! Like in yoga class. Run, little goats, run!
Brilliant, run it, goat! Keep it up! I'll push you back to the beach!
My babies. Thanks, PAW Patrol.
No problem. Whenever your yoga goats go running, just yelp for help.
The only place these tired little kids are going is home.
The ancient and mysterious golden statue of Lupo.
What are those statues, Francois?
Those are Lupo's guardians.
The Guardians would follow the orders of whoever held the golden statue of Lupo. How fascinating.
And sensationally shiny.
Huh? That's no jewel! It's a piece of the meteor that gave me super powers!
Are those statues moving?
Did you just
Listen to me.
bring me that treasure chest of gold? I can control them! Now I have a whole crew to take shiny stuff for me!
Okay, Mighty Pups, we're going to lure the ladybird out of the museum with the biggest, shiniest statue she's ever seen and take back the golden Lupo statue.
But we don't have a bigger, shinier statue.
We will, and you'll see when we fly out to the desert in the Mighty Jet. Now here's the rest of the plan.
Oh! How hard is it to find one giant jewel-encrusted statue? Oh, it's so giant and so shiny! Carry the statue back to my museum lair! Gotcha, ladybird! What? You're not a statue? No, I'm a Mighty Pup.
And the golden statue of Lupo is not yours.
Merci beaucoup, PAW Patrol. You saved our precious museum exhibit.
You're welcome. Whenever your statues come alive, just yell for help.
Check out full episodes of PAW Patrol on Nickelodeon.